The world is witnessing a dramatic shift in the balance of military power. China, once reliant on outdated aircraft, is now a formidable force in military aviation. This transformation is not merely about numbers, but about technological prowess and ambition. China's journey from lagging behind to leading in cutting-edge fighter jet development is remarkable. For decades, China's Air Force relied heavily on Soviet-era designs and technology. The Chengdu J-7, a locally produced variant of the MiG-21, was a mainstay for years. While it provided basic air defense, it paled in comparison to advanced fighters fielded by the United States and its allies. This technological gap fueled China's determination to develop its own indigenous fighter jet program. China's leadership recognized that true military power stemmed from self-reliance and technological innovation. They invested massively in research and development, focusing on aerospace engineering, material science and propulsion systems. The J-10, China's first indigenously designed fourth-generation fighter, marked a turning point. It showcased China's growing capabilities in aircraft design and production, paving the way for the J-20 Mighty Dragon and the J-15 Flying Shark. The development of the J-20 and J-15 marked a turning point in China's military aviation journey. These aircraft represent China's leap into the elite club of fifth-generation fighter jet manufacturers. The J-20, with its stealth capabilities and advanced avionics, was envisioned as China's answer to the American F-22 Raptor. Its design emphasized stealth, supersonic cruise capability, and long-range engagement. The J-15 was designed to be China's primary carrier-based fighter, similar to the American F/A-18E/F Super Hornet. Its development was crucial for China's growing naval ambitions. China's rapid economic growth provided the financial resources needed to fund these ambitious projects. Military strategists recognized the need to modernize their armed forces to address evolving security challenges. The rise of the United States as a dominant military power in the Asia-Pacific region added urgency to China's military modernization. Chinese engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, often behind closed doors, to bring these projects to fruition. The unveiling of the J-20 in 2011, and the first landing of a J-15 on China's first aircraft carrier, the Liaoning, in 2012, sent shockwaves through the international defense community. These events symbolized China's arrival as a major player in the global arms race. The J-20 Mighty Dragon is a testament to China's ambition to field a world-class stealth fighter. This twin-engine single-seat aircraft boasts a combination of stealth, speed, and firepower. The J-20's stealth capabilities are derived from its carefully sculpted fuselage, minimizing its radar cross-section. The use of radar-absorbent materials makes it difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track the aircraft. The J-20 is powered by powerful turbofan engines, enabling it to achieve supersonic speeds without afterburners known as supercruise. This capability allows the J-20 to quickly reach and engage targets. The J-20's internal weapons bays can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. The J-15 Flying Shark is China's first domestically developed carrier-based fighter. Designed for both air superiority and strike missions, the J-15 enhances the Chinese Navy's ability to project power at sea. The J-15 is equipped with a powerful radar and a sophisticated electronic warfare suite, allowing it to detect and engage enemy aircraft at long ranges. Section 4. A numbers game: production prowess and global comparisons. China's commitment to modernizing its air force is evident in its impressive fighter jet production rates. In recent years, China has significantly ramped up its production capacity, catching the attention of global military analysts. The backbone of China's fighter jet production is its state-owned aerospace industry, which has made remarkable strides. According to estimates, China is now producing new fighter jets at a rate that rivals and in some cases surpasses that of the United States. This surge in production is fueled by increased defense spending, technological advancements, and a desire to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. China's growing fighter jet fleet has significant implications for the regional and global balance of power. While the United States still maintains a technological edge in some areas, China is rapidly catching up. Section 5. Shifting Sands: Strategic Implications of China's Air Power Surge. The rapid expansion and modernization of China's Air Force have sent ripples across the Indo-Pacific region and beyond. No longer content with a primarily defensive posture, China is increasingly asserting its growing military might. This assertive stance has raised concerns among neighboring countries and prompted a reassessment of defense strategies by regional powers. One of the most significant implications of China's growing air power is the potential for a shift in the regional balance of power. For decades, the United States has been the dominant military power in the Indo-Pacific, but China's growing military capabilities are challenging this status quo. This shift in the balance of power has the potential to create instability and increase the risk of conflict. China's enhanced air power also has significant implications for regional security, particularly in the South China Sea. As China's global ambitions grow, so too does its military reach, suggesting that Beijing is preparing to project power far beyond its borders. Section 6. Beyond the Horizon, a glimpse into the future of Chinese jets. China's journey in military aviation is far from over. With a relentless focus on innovation and vast resources, China is poised to remain at the forefront of fighter jet technology. Future generations of Chinese fighter jets are expected to incorporate even more advanced technologies. One area where China is expected to make significant strides is in the development of sixth-generation fighter jets. These fighters are likely to include features such as artificial intelligence, directed energy weapons, and hypersonic capabilities. China is already investing heavily in these cutting-edge technologies. Another area of focus is the development of unmanned combat aerial vehicles or combat drones. Future Chinese UCAVs are likely to be capable of operating autonomously, carrying out complex missions without human intervention. Section 7. Conclusion. A force to be reckoned with. China's rise as a major player in military aviation is undeniable. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a leading producer of advanced fighter jets, China has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to modernizing its armed forces. This transformation has profound implications for the regional and global balance of power. The world is entering a new era in military aviation, one in which China is poised to play a leading role.